Hi, my name's Nick. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about a talent that I've learned growing up. I can actually make myself burp on command. Let me tell you a little bit about it. This impressive and yet sometimes completely vile talent started when I was very young. When I became very fond of soda. And as I grew up with it, I was able to expand my stomach in such ways that it would impress my parents, and they would ask themselves, how could such a large sound come from such a small stomach bladder? Because it can't be much more than this big. I mean, I'm infamous in my household for walking into a room and belching in such bravado that it will shake windows. And I get to enjoy everyone's faces as they just stare at me and go, oh. Keep careful, because I always gag around G. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Excuse me. B, U, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. I ran out of breath. You asked for it. Just remember, you asked for it. That's all the vowels. So, there you go. That's just one of the talents of mine. Thanks. Later. In closing, I just want to thank you for allowing me to release this ranky demon inside myself, and you have a wonderful day.